Okay, so we're gonna check out the sound quality and the loudness on J5 2016. With this device, you get random, they're not in-ear, they're normal headphones, and they're not supreme quality. So if you're gonna use this device, you should buy some better headphones. So it's loud enough, the sound is good, it's not very deep bass. And you get up to 77 decibels. The sound quality from the headphones is very, very loud. It's even too loud, but there is no quality. It's very shallow, low quality sound. Okay, so in the end, you get an average loudspeaker. It's gonna be good if you're gonna be using it for watching YouTube videos and stuff like that. But if you're into music, you should buy some more advanced headphones or an external Bluetooth speaker. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel and check our other videos.